13.9. Yes. So this is actually 13.9 RMB. This is actually very, very nice. The quality is okay. And then we have set of this is very nice.
This is my brand, WISEUP. You look at this one player and the measuring tape. I have my CL factory and the wood pump. You look at this one. We power tools. Interior all is copper. This one wood pump is sailing wheel. It's very good quality. The quality is very good, and we all have stock.
Okay. Guys, guess what? We are back again at the largest wholesale market in the whole world. You know, after the Chinese New Year, the long holiday, and everybody is back. Guess what, guys? Guess where we are? We are actually the second floor of this street too, and what they have here, what they are selling here actually is hardwares. Let me show you guys. Hardwares, tools and fittings. See what they have here. See, this is what they have in this particular place actually. Yeah, this hardware and fittings. So guys, we'll be going into the main market to show you guys exactly what we have in this particular place. They have a lot of things here. Guys, remember, if there is anything you need, you want to import anything, you want to export, you want to do anything, just don't forget to let me know. They have many products here actually, as you can see. So guys, let's move forward and, you know, let us explore the market together. See, let's explore the place together. Yeah. So let's, if I see the different tools they have in this particular place. Yeah. Just here.
这款，这款。
这些一般都是多少钱呢？
这个2.2块4寸。
2.2块。
4寸2.2块。
啊。
这款的4寸2.4块。
2.4块这个。OK。
这个1.7块。
1.7块。OK。那这种呢是多少钱？
这个两用的2块。
两用的是吗？
两用的2.7块。
2.7块。可以，价格也没有那么贵了，没有那么贵。然后你这个都是必须要批发的是吗？
对，
必须要批发。
批发的。
Okay. Just like what I said before, all we have here, there are companies and most of them sell based on wholesale price here. As you can see, what you see, this particular one is多少
？2.7块。
2.7块。Okay. This is 2.8 RMB. So it's actually cheap, and you can use both the edge and the down here. So this is actually very, very cheap. Okay.
2.2.
This is 2.2 here, RMB. Yeah, we are giving price on RMB, not dollar for now. So this one is 2.4, and then we have many other things here.然后这些呢可以简单的。So and this one is 这多少
？1.7块。
1.7块。Okay, this is 1.8 RMB. It's actually very cheap, you know. It's actually the quality are very nice. 这质量还可以吧？是吗？
质量还可以的。
质量还可以。那这些呢是怎么？
这种是这个灰产，
我知道，
就是工地上。
我知道啊，我知道。
这个7寸的5块5。
5块5。This one is 5块5块 that is 5.5 RMB. These are all wholesale price. This is 5.5, and we have many designs here, as you can see. We have many designs of this particular. This thrower, yeah, this thrower. Before I was selling this kind of thing before, so building materials. So as you can see, we have many of them here, and this one, that guy, 钱多少钱？这个？
这种。这个6寸的8块5。
8块。
8块5。
8块5。这个this one is 8.5 RMB per one, and these are wholesale price. But you know, 他们要的多可以便宜一点吧，是吗？如果量多的话，会
量多可以便宜一点点。现在报都是报批发价的。
批发价。Okay, this is actually wholesale price, but if like you need a large quantity of this particular things here, you know, they can actually reduce the price for you. We'll have many things here. We can't give you all the prices at this particular moment. So this is the company here. 你们这个工厂在哪里？在广东那边。所以如果要发货，一般是从那边发，还是你们那边有仓库？这边有仓库？
我在这边有点，等于货可以在义乌出。
可以在义乌出的是吗？
对，我货发到义乌，义乌送货。
义乌送货是吗？那如果广东那边，如果我有仓那个我发货的地方也是在在那个广东，也可以从广东拿货吧，是吗？
也可以，我等于在厂里可以发到你广州啊，还是发去哪里都可以。
都可以的。So guys, let's check other places again. Let me still show you what these people got in this particular place. Here they have different type of tools in this area. They have different tools. So in this particular place, they have this. I think the drilling I used to make all this drilling stuff. Step drill, yeah, the drilling tools. See what they got in this place. You see this particular one. Don't forget, like, if there's anything you need, don't forget to let me know here. So let's check other places again. Okay, have a session. We have different type of tools here. So in this particular place, this is what they got. This is another company here, you know, with their own brand. In this particular place, they have many things here that you would like. See this particular one here. So this. And this in this particular place, I guess they can also make your own things. Like if you need, you can make your own brand if you have your own brand name. Or this is a factory here. So we're gonna check other places again to see what they have. See this place. Yeah. These are another very strong company here that you would like also. Just remember that what they sell here, all these places are tools. Just remember that in this particular place, different company comes here to, showcase their what they got, what they produce, their own products. Then, if you are interested in any of their own design or brand, you can actually get it for them. And remember, they can also make your own brand. If you have your own brand, they can also make based on your own what you need. Yeah. So we're gonna enter another place. And also remember, I cannot enter all the shops here one by one because it's very, very big. Just see what I'm telling you. You see, from here to the other place, the end is very large. So, and each place has their own line. They have different lines here, just like this one, and many of them. So I cannot enter all the shops one by one, but I'll try to cover up everything in this particular place. So let's check this particular company here. I think this should be a very big and a standard company. Anyhow, this is a very big standard company here that you would also like. They got many things here, different kind of tools, different kind of drilling machines that you would also love to experience. So don't leave this video. As you are watching, please continue to watch because we have many things here that I'm gonna show you guys. We have different things. We have many things that you would like. Seriously, we have many things that you would like. Many of them, they are much. So from here, we'll check another company because they have different companies here that comes here to showcase what they have. So let's check this one again. This is another brand, another company again in this particular place, guys. So let's go. And one thing I forgot to tell you guys, many people come from different locations, from different world, from different nations, so just to come and shop in this particular place. Most people think that the only thing that they have here is the biggest thing is Guangzhou, something like that. So this WISEUP company, they have their own different tools here. Here you can, see this particular shoe here. It's very, very, very standard. The qualities are very okay. Qualities are very, very nice. This is a WISEUP company. This is their company here.
我们有客人在。
你们那边有客人是吗？
对对对。
那可以。
我从这边开始吧。
啊。
用英语是吧？
英语也可以，中文也可以，没有问题的。
This is my brand WISEUP. You look at this one player and the measuring tape. I have my CL factory, and the wood pump. You look at this one. We power tools. Interior all is copper. This one wood pump is sailing wheel. It's very good quality. The quality is very good, and we all have stock.
Okay.
Okay.
Where is the location of your factory? Where is your
my factory? This is my CL factory in Henan province.
Henan province.
Yes.
So you guys have a warehouse here, or
yeah, I have warehouse because we have stock.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
first time if customer want to try, so one carton is no problem.
Okay. For a first time, you can start with one carton.
No need MOQ.
Okay. That's good. So can you give us can you talk about the prices, like some of the prices here? Can you mention about the price?
Actually, we don't have price list. We only have catalog.
Yeah.
We can send the customer catalog.
Catalog, yeah.
Customer choose like which one or which one product in countries selling where is good.
Yeah.
You will send me picture or item.
Okay, okay.
We have about 3,000 products. This is just my one shop. I have two shops in Fofo. It's very big.
Okay, in this particular Yiwu here?
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Yeah, just a small sample.
Yeah. I can see that. This is a very big company.
Yeah.
I've heard about this WISEUP company. Yeah, it's good. What about, like, for example, a customer don't want to sell this particular brand. The customer wants to make
self-brand.
Yeah, self-brand.
Yeah.
Can you guys do it?
Yeah,
for
this need MOQ. Because we only make my brand. If customer want to make him logo, we need a MOQ. The hand tools total is 50 cartons.
Okay.
The power tools is 500 pieces. This is MOQ. Yeah, but the first time I want the customer first time try my brand. For him he buy the him market, the feedback is very good. Okay, he can try his
own
logo.
brand.
Yeah, his brand. Yeah.
Okay.
I think this is better.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So guys, as you can see, what we got here, we got many products here, just like what she said. Don't forget, this is a WISEUP company, and we are here, and they have many. We have how many tools?
About just 3,000.
About 3,000 different type of. They have more of it. So if you need,
we 1 week we will have the new product.
Every week you guys make different products every week.
Every week you have two products.
Two products.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So you see.
Yeah, we spend too much, and the screwdriver we always magnet. Yeah, quality is very good. Always CRV 55 or 45 like this one.
Okay, that's good. Okay, no problem. Give me your
business card.
Yeah, the business card.
In Africa, we have too much country selling.
Okay. This is the largest wholesale market we have here in the whole world. Yeah, not China, but in the whole world. So, if you're enjoying this video, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel as we are moving forward, because we still have many things to cover up. Still have many things to cover up. We are just starting. And remember also, if you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch my previous video on where we started from District 1, and this is District 2. So we have about, I think, 5 districts in this particular market. So we are going to cover up everything. So if you have not watched the previous one, please go and watch the previous video so that you follow up. And also remember, if there's anything you need, don't worry about your country. We'll deliver. Understand? We'll deliver to you anywhere you are. So guys, let's continue to explore the market. You will like it. Let's go.